A number of families in 6 villages in Nkomazi, that's in Mpumalanga, have been left without shelter following a heavy storm. Strong winds have blown off the roofs of more than 58 houses in the Masibekela area. In fact, the Nkomazi Municipality is still busy assessing the extent of the damage. Let's get you a sense of how bad it's looking, bringing in our reporter, Tumelo Machogo, who is part of our team watching developments. And Tumelo, as a start, how bad is it looking?
Well, it's quite bad, especially here in Masibekela village, where we have seen about 68 villages that have been affected by the storm. Also, in another village, not far from here, about 30 households has also been affected by this storm. The municipality is saying they're still assessing the extent of the damage, but they've only been to 2 villages, only Masibekela and Setlanga village, but they have not been to other 4 villages that also have been affected by the storm. Houses have been, the roofs have been blown away by the storm, and also windows broken. Families have lost almost everything following this storm. But also, we understand that there's also reports coming from Albert Lithuli municipality, where we understand there also 3 villages have also been affected. We understand 17 households also in that municipality has also been affected. But here in Masibekela village, the community here, they've been asking for relief, but relief has not come yet. We are now standing outside the Sengwayo family homes, where the roof was blown away. Actually here they are still trying to actually fix the roof of this house. You know, it was blown away on Wednesday night evening when that storm came in and then started blowing this roof away. But let's now speak to Mr. Sengwayo, Nkosi Sengwayo. Ndate sicela nje ukuthi kwenzakaleni on that day ma ifika lemvula.
Kusite kungilesithathu ebusuku. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi bekubo ma-11 ka-12 sesilungiselela kulala. Into le yavakala nje, nangithi ngithatha kulala sesihlukene naboma kwami sesiyalala. Kwachamuka nje kwaduma umsindo olitulu. Kwasina kusaduma lo msindo olitulu kwabanika imbane. Kwase sekubuya umoya lonesiphepho lomkhulu. Kwase kusesenjalo sesibukile singabe kwendakalani. Kwabuya lana ngemandla, kwabuya umoya lomkhulu, wazama kuphakamisa lamathayela, ngekhathi ngisemangale sikwendakalani. Kwaphakama ke ngangibona le thala la ngilele khona lizama kuphakama lizama kuvuleka, sengibona nangaphandle. Ngisabuka sengibona nangaphandle nami sengimangale sikwendakalani. Ngeva kukhala umsindo lenga-understand. Kwaphakama emathayela nakusaphakama emathayela ngingawaboni ke mina ngekhathi ngeva kukhala titini nakusakhala letitini letinye tatsilikela la ngekhathi natsatsilikela la ngekhathi ngisethukile ngingaboni lo sikwendakalayo lana nalisana kanti selitsilite letitini sekungena emanti la kunale timbobo khona la sekukhweshele letitini.
Okay, baba, masipala siyibonile afika today yesterday afuna kwaseza situation la amakhaya. Ulethile yini masipala, ukhulume nani, ulethe yini ma lindingani kakhulu ukuthi likhona ukufikisa lendlu yakho yini?
Lokwendekile basithina bafika basicocisa basibuta ukuthi dingakho insawo lokulimele. Sazama ke lokubalayela. Sasazama kubalayela. Babuta stand number bashutha benda lokuningi base bathi bayabuya kuseteke lokungana la bakushithe nje basite batawubuya.
Lindingani manje ukuthi likhona kulala kahle nilele kahle last night?
Sikalalanga kahle ngenzaba ukuthi vele litulu lana la netha lokuningi la ngekhathi sitting room nasemakamelweni tingubo tanethwa salala nzawonye ngekubuthabuthana ngekusikonakele vele.
Sabonga kakhulu baba. That is Nkomazi Sengwayo is a resident here saying that, you know, the house, actually the rain just started just after 12 o'clock in the evening. That's when it blew away the roof of this house. Then the bricks started falling into the house, and that when it actually rain also started coming into the house, and also everything was wet in the house. Then they started actually just like standing in the house. But they're saying that the municipality did come here yesterday. They did register them, but they have not brought any relief. And this is what had been a frustration for many residents here, actually, Ayanda, in this community, saying that the municipality did come yesterday to come and assess the situation, but they did not bring any relief. This family, they're saying that they did not sleep that well last night because there was rain last night also here. And also, if you look at the weather, there might be rain actually coming in again today. And this community now is worried that they have not had any relief, and also their roof is completely twisted. There's no way they're going to be able to fix this roof. They need new roofing so that they can actually go to sleep. Some households have lost almost everything, and this is just one of the houses that actually have been badly affected by the storm.